Welcome to our video on the best affiliate programs for beginners in 2025. If you've ever dreamed of earning money online while promoting products you love, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some of the most lucrative affiliate programs that are perfect for newcomers to the world of affiliate marketing. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-fledged online business, we've got you covered with options that cater to various interests and niches. We'll dive into the top programs that not only offer competitive commissions, but also provide valuable resources and support for beginners. From well-known brands to emerging companies, you'll discover opportunities that can help you kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. Get ready to learn about the tools and strategies that can set you up for success in this exciting field. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to choose the right affiliate programs that align with your goals and passions. So, stay tuned as we unveil the best affiliate programs for beginners in 2025 and get ready to embark on a rewarding journey in affiliate marketing. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through their unique referral links. Essentially, it works by connecting businesses with affiliates who help drive traffic and sales, creating a win-win situation for both parties. For beginners, affiliate marketing offers numerous benefits. First, it requires minimal upfront investment, making it accessible for anyone looking to start an online business. You don't need to create your own products or manage inventory. Instead, you can focus on promoting existing products that resonate with your audience. Another significant advantage is the potential for passive income. Once you've set up your affiliate links and created engaging content, you can earn money while you sleep. This means that even when you're not actively working, your affiliate links can continue to generate sales, providing a steady stream of income over time. By understanding the basics of affiliate marketing, beginners can tap into a lucrative opportunity that not only allows them to earn money, but also offers the flexibility to work from anywhere and at their own pace. Criteria for choosing affiliate programs. When selecting affiliate programs, several key factors can significantly impact your success as an affiliate marketer. First and foremost, commission rates and payment structures are crucial. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates, as this directly affects your earnings. Additionally, consider how and when payments are made, whether through monthly payouts, thresholds for minimum earnings, or payment methods like PayPal or bank transfers. Understanding these details will help you choose programs that align with your financial goals. Another important factor is the relevance of the products to your audience. Promoting products that resonate with your niche will not only enhance your credibility, but also increase the likelihood of conversions. Take the time to research and select programs that offer products or services your audience genuinely needs or desires. Lastly, the reputation and reliability of the affiliate program should not be overlooked. Partnering with reputable companies ensures that you are promoting quality products and services, which can lead to higher customer satisfaction and repeat business. Look for programs with positive reviews, strong customer support, and a proven track record. By considering these criteria, you can make informed decisions that set you up for success in affiliate marketing. Top affiliate programs for beginners. As we explore the best affiliate programs available in 2025, several options stand out for beginners looking to dive into affiliate marketing. First up is Amazon Associates, one of the largest and most popular affiliate programs. With a vast range of products across various niches, affiliates can earn between 1% to 10% in commissions, depending on the product category. Payments are made through direct deposit or Amazon gift cards, making it convenient for users. Many affiliates have shared success stories of earning substantial income by promoting niche products on their blogs or social media. Next is ShareASale, which connects affiliates with a diverse array of merchants in different niches, from fashion to technology. Commission rates vary by merchant, but many offer competitive payouts. ShareASale provides timely payments via direct deposit or checks, and users appreciate the platform's user-friendly interface and robust reporting tools. Another excellent option is ClickBank, particularly for those interested in digital products like ebooks and online courses. Affiliates can earn commissions ranging from 50% to 75%, making it highly lucrative. Testimonials from successful affiliates highlight the potential potential for significant earnings through targeted marketing efforts. These programs not only offer attractive commission structures, but also provide valuable resources and support for beginners, making them ideal choices for those starting their affiliate marketing journey. Tips for success in affiliate marketing. To thrive in affiliate marketing, beginners should focus on several actionable strategies that can significantly enhance their success. First, building a niche audience is crucial. By identifying a specific target market, you can tailor your marketing efforts to meet their unique needs and preferences. This targeted approach not only increases engagement, but also boosts conversion rates, as your audience is more likely to trust recommendations that resonate with their interests. Next, creating quality content is essential for driving traffic to your affiliate links. Whether through blog posts, videos, or social media updates, high-quality content that provides value to your audience will keep them coming back for more. Focus on informative, entertaining, or problem-solving content that naturally incorporates your affiliate products, making them feel like a helpful resource rather than a sales pitch. Lastly, utilizing social media and SEO strategies can amplify your reach and visibility. Share your content across various social media platforms to engage with your audience and attract new followers. Additionally, optimizing your content for search engines will help you rank higher in search results, driving organic traffic to your site. By implementing these tips, beginners can set themselves up for long-term success in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Common mistakes to avoid. As beginners embark on their affiliate marketing journey, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls that can hinder success. One significant mistake is promoting irrelevant products. Affiliates often get tempted by high commission rates and promote items that do not align with their audience's interests. This can lead to a lack of trust and engagement, ultimately resulting in lower conversion rates. Always prioritize products that resonate with your niche and provide genuine value to your audience. Another common error is neglecting audience engagement and feedback. Building a loyal following requires active communication with your audience. Ignoring their questions, comments, or suggestions can create a disconnect and diminish their interest in your content. Make an effort to respond to inquiries and foster a sense of community, as this will enhance trust and encourage more interactions. Lastly, it's crucial to understand the need for patience and consistency in affiliate marketing. Many beginners expect immediate results and may become discouraged if they don't see quick returns. Success in this field often takes time and persistent effort. By remaining committed to your strategies and consistently producing quality content, you will gradually build momentum and achieve your affiliate marketing goals. Avoiding these common mistakes will set you on the path to success. In this video, we've explored the essential aspects of affiliate marketing, particularly focusing on how to choose the right affiliate programs for beginners in 2025. Selecting programs that align with your niche, offer competitive commission rates, and have a solid reputation is crucial for long-term success. We also discussed the importance of creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and utilizing effective marketing strategies to drive traffic and conversions. Let me tell you about TubeMagic. It's an AI-powered toolbox that helps you grow a faceless YouTube channel faster. It gives you viral video ideas, titles, full scripts, optimized tags, and even SEO-friendly descriptions, all in minutes. It takes the guesswork out of growing on YouTube. I've been using it to streamline my video creation, and honestly, it's been a game changer. If you're serious about growing a faceless channel or just want to make YouTube easier, click the link in the description to check out TubeMagic. It's one of my favorite tools for creating content fast and ranking faster. Key takeaways to remember include the significance of promoting relevant products, actively engaging with your audience, and maintaining patience and consistency in your efforts. These foundational principles will help you navigate the affiliate marketing landscape more effectively and set you up for success.